Let's dive into the magic of microgreens and how you can extend your growing season even in the chilly winter months. All right, let's head inside and take a closer look at how you can make microgreens your new indoor garden. Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Let's talk a little bit about what microgreens are. Microgreens are actually smaller versions of the vegetables that you're used to seeing in your garden or buying at the stores. Microgreens only take about 7 to 14 days to grow, and you can grow them indoors basically all year long. Since you're harvesting these tiny greens at such a young stage, they are packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all that goodness that your body needs. And they are actually more nutrient dense than those adult vegetables you've been growing in your garden or purchasing from the stores. So what makes these tiny greens so perfect for growing in the winter months? They need minimal space, light, and time to grow. You can add the nutrient-dense greens to your winter cozy meals and have that added extra flavor, the yumminess of having those fresh greens that you had during the summer months. All right, so let's talk a little bit about what you need to get started growing your microgreens. You need trays, soil, and seeds, and the know-how. And before you start searching, I want to share with you your one-stop shop for all your microgreen needs and how you can get started growing this winter. Check out barefootmicrogreens.com. My family and I have put together a microgreen grow kit, and it gives you everything you need to get started. A one-stop shop. It has the soil, the seeds, the microgreens, and the education on how to grow your microgreens. Let's take a look. This is our Made Simple microgreen grow kits. Everything you need is in this swag bag. And this bag is great for storing your kits when you're not using them, as well as, taking it to the store or to the farmers markets. Let's take a look what's inside. So first you have a bag of soil, and this soil will give you 4 different growing cycles for your microgreens. The brand that we use is SunGrow, and I also recommend ProMix. In your kit, we provide you with 4 different varieties of seeds to start growing. So here we have pea shoots, sunflowers, broccoli, and salad mix. Our salad mix has a beautiful blend of broccoli, kale, cabbage, kohlrabi, and arugula. You get so much variety in our microgreen grow kits. And these packages are pre-measured for the trays that you get in the kits. I put together this beautiful instructional booklet. It tells you what microgreens are, why you should be growing them and adding them to your daily meals. It also talks about each variety of seeds that come in your kit. And when you go to the very back page, there's a QR code that you can scan. I even put together step-by-step videos to walk you through the entire process of planting, caring for, watering, and harvesting your microgreens, even how you can include them in your meals. We even included a quick reference guide. So even though we put together the step-by-step videos, this is just a quick guide that you can refer back to for the 10 days you're growing your microgreens, so you can stay on track for those 10 days. We also included a cute little logo sticker, because who doesn't like logo stickers? And in your kit, you're gonna get 2 sets of Bootstrap Farmer trays. We went with Bootstrap Farmer because they are a company that makes their product in the United States. They are BPA-free trays, and these trays are heavy duty. These are the trays that I use in my microgreens business, and I grow trays of microgreens week after week after week, and I will never have to replace these trays. So you can continue to use these trays in your microgreen grow kits time after time, and you won't have to replace them. You may have to order more because you may want to start growing microgreens for your local community, or maybe even a business too. All right, like I said, These kits will give you everything you need to get started so you can start growing right away. I would like to note that you can hop back on our website, barefootmicrogreens.com, and you can reorder seeds through us. So if you are one of those people that love supporting small businesses, you can continue to keep using your grow kits and purchase the seeds through us and keep using your grow kits throughout the winter months. During the winter months, you're probably switching all your meals to nice, cozy meals like soups and casseroles and nice, hearty, warm sandwiches. And you're probably wondering, well, how can I use microgreens with my winter meals? Let me tell you, microgreens actually pair perfectly with any meal that you're eating. So basically, you are just going to take your microgreens and harvest them. Leave them raw because you can get the most nutrients and the most bang for your buck out of leaving your microgreens raw versus cooking them in, say, your casserole or your soups. Basically, go ahead and cook your meals like you would and sprinkle these babies right on top. Like I said, you can sprinkle them inside your yummy warm soups. You can toss them on top of your baked casseroles, as well as your sandwiches for the winter. Just add them to anything and everything. Microgreens actually have a wonderful flavor. The flavor is enhanced. So when you think about this variety, which is arugula, it gives a nice spicy kick to all your meals. Broccoli is more mild tasting. The other varieties in our grow kits like pea shoots or sunflower shoots have a more sweeter taste. So those ones are perfect just to pop in your mouth and eat raw, or like I said, add them to any of your warm, cozy meals. All right, there you have it. Homegrown, fresh, nutrient-dense microgreens in the middle of winter. It is the simplest way to keep growing all winter long and add that nutrient-dense boost to all your meals. Interested in learning more about microgreen, even possibly starting a microgreens business, check out these videos now.